Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to remove a bank account in PayPal. So guys, in order to start removing your bank accounts, of course, firstly, essential step is to log in. After that, press on your wallet. Once logged in, find the wallet option right here. After that, as you can see, I don't have anything in here because this is just a dummy account to show you, but I will guide you through the next steps. So, in your wallet, under the Bank Accounts and Cards section, locate the bank accounts you wish to remove. Click on the bank accounts you wish to delete. Once you have the selected bank account, look for the option labeled Remove or Delete and click on it. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you are sure that you want to remove the bank accounts. Confirm and click Yes. After confirmation, PayPal will process the removal and your bank accounts will be deleted from PayPal. Guys, if this video helped you, press like on this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.